Leshan Giant Buddha, the largest stone Buddha in the world. This is the largest stone Buddha in the world, the Leshan Giant Buddha, carved directly into a cliff face at the confluence of three rivers, the Minjiang, Dadu, and Qingyi rivers in the southern Sichuan province of China. Since its completion over 1,300 years ago, the Leshan Giant Buddha has been celebrated not only for its immense size, but also for its profound cultural, historical, and spiritual significance. Construction of the Buddha began in 713 and was completed in 803 during the Tang Dynasty, a project that spanned nearly 90 years and required the labor of thousands of stonemasons and artisans. The idea of a colossal Buddha was conceived by a monk named Haitong, who believed the statue would protect local people from the turbulent waters at the meeting point of the three rivers, a dangerous area for boats due to the strong currents. Driven by compassion, Haitong tirelessly sought donations, determined to build a statue that he believed would save lives. Beyond its spiritual purpose, the statue is also an architectural marvel, with a unique design to withstand the elements. Standing 71 meters tall from head to toe, the Buddha has ears that measure 7 meters in length, and each finger is 3 meters long. Such dimensions highlight the colossal scale of the statue. Its gaze, directed down toward the river confluence, conveys an aura of majesty and protection, as though the Buddha is watching over and safeguarding the waters below. One of the statue's most remarkable features is its intricate drainage system, which protects it from erosion. To prevent damage from rain, the Tang Dynasty architects cleverly designed hidden drainage pathways within the Buddha's hair, collar, chest, and shoulders. These channels have successfully minimized the impact of weathering, allowing the statue to withstand over 1,000 years of natural forces and endure in a harsh climate. Located at the confluence of the Minjiang, Dadu, and Qingyi rivers, the Buddha's unique geographic position enhances its spiritual and cultural importance. For locals, it serves as a symbol of spiritual and cultural identity, a place where they can offer prayers, make offerings, and seek peace. The statue has also become a prominent pilgrimage site, attracting people from all over China who come to pay their respects and seek blessings from the Buddha. Recognized for its historical and architectural value, the Leshan Giant Buddha, along with Mount Imei nearby, was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996. This acknowledgement further solidifies the Buddha's place within humanity's cultural heritage. Beyond its religious significance, the statue also showcases the advanced construction techniques and preservation strategies of ancient artisans. To safeguard the statue, preservationists regularly inspect and maintain it to protect against modern environmental challenges, such as acid rain and air pollution. The rapid growth of tourism has also posed challenges in managing the preservation of the site. However, with these protective measures in place, the Leshan Giant Buddha continues to stand as a timeless spiritual icon. The Leshan Giant Buddha is a major attraction, drawing millions of tourists each year. Visitors can admire the statue from multiple viewpoints, looking up from its feet, gazing down from above, or viewing it from afar while on a riverboat. Each perspective offers a different experience and evokes unique emotions, yet all emphasize the statue's grandeur and magnificence. The surrounding landscape, with its mountains and rivers, creates a serene backdrop, making it an ideal place for those seeking tranquility and an appreciation of natural beauty and cultural heritage. The area around the Leshan Giant Buddha also features temples and other historical sites, forming a rich cultural and religious complex. visitors can explore a variety of structures that bear deep cultural and historical significance, reflecting the local people's profound faith in Buddhism and their respect for deities. Moreover, the story of Monk Haitong remains an integral part of the statue's history. It is said that when corrupt officials threatened to take the donations he had collected, Haitong courageously defended the funds by vowing to gouge out his own eyes. Moved by his determination, the officials abandoned their attempt to seize the money. His resolute spirit has inspired generations, adding a layer of spiritual value to the Leshan Giant Buddha. The Leshan Giant Buddha is not just a religious monument, but a symbol of resilience, endurance, and human creativity. Each detail, from the Buddha's gentle expression gazing over the river to the carefully crafted drainage system, attests to the skill and artistry of ancient Chinese stonemasons. More than 1,300 years later, the statue remains a steadfast symbol of faith, while also preserving the history and culture of the Sichuan region. The Leshan Giant Buddha will forever be a priceless treasure of humanity, one of the most awe-inspiring stone structures, and an irreplaceable spiritual symbol for the people of China.